myself, Snigda. So guys, today is gonna be my most excited video today because it's something that I've been waiting for. That is, we're getting a new bed! Yay! Yes guys, we got a new bed and we're gonna unbox it today. So it is a really exciting video. Actually the delivery was had to come a bit early, but it was getting delayed again and again. But it finally came. I'm really happy and enthusiastic to start the unboxing, and let's go without further ado. And if you guys also want to buy this cot or this bed, then you can also order it. If you want, the link will be in the description of the Amazon, and the size is also customizable. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So guys, this bed is as big as my sofa, not surprising. So it actually, we couldn't post the video this Sunday because ours was a different size. Our bed was not a perfect size that we could get automatically, so we had to measure it and then put it. So that is the reason it took time for it to get delivered to our house. And yeah, so we are posting the video a bit late. And this is we actually, according to many videos that I've watched and according to the warranty and everything that will be showing you in the end of the video, it is shown that you will get it in a cardboard box, but for me I had got it in a cover. So just opened it like that, and actually you will get a knife instead of like how I am ripping the package immediately. You will get a knife, so you have to do it with the knife, but I didn't notice the knife because I was so excited in the mattress. I didn't notice anything else. And by the way, this is the orthopedic memory foam mattress. It is from Wakefit. It has 10 years of warranty, and this mattress is so soft and cozy. It's not like spring beds that you just can't sit on it, you just slide it off, but it is little like spring bed but not spring bed. So it was really nice to sleep also. And I was having a bit trouble in removing this package because they had wrapped it really safely, and that was really nice. And this entire thing, I wasn't able to do it alone because I didn't notice the knife, and I didn't want to put in the sharp stuff like scissors and knife. Do not use scissors and knife. So I used my dad's help. And also, Wakefit will repair your mattress or replace your mattress in between 100 nights. That is a great thing that they offer. And this one's quantity is 1 Newton and weight is 14.11 kg. And the dimensions will be according to yours. Whatever you want, you can change it. And you can also see how the bed explodes in my hall. It was really nice to watch, and I had to fall on it. And it was really cozy, really nice. And one more special thing we found out here is that this is really the both side it is different kind of textured. So one side it is one texture, one more side it is another texture, and it is 6 inches wide. And one more thing, you can remove the mattress cover and you will be able to see the foam inside. It is washable. And for cleaning the outer surface, spot clean with mild detergent, gently dabbing the cover, rather than rubbing it. You just whoosh like for other stuff. And do not put it in washing machine. So you have to do it with your hands, just not rubbing it. Simple, easy way. And this is the bed on in my room. And yes, my sister is jumping on it. It's so satisfying to watch in this slow-mo. And it doesn't bounce off that much, but it was really smooth to land on because I had also tried it personally. And this is the mattress care and warranty information. This is not the warranty card, it's the information about the warranty card. and these are two sides also. So one more side they had given the how to unbox this, the unboxing instructions also, which also I'll be showing. But the problem was I didn't see this. I saw this at last. And they also, so this is the pictures that they gave. And I didn't see these before, so I did it most of the steps wrong way. Like the third step, they gave a knife which I didn't observe, the cake cutting kind of knife they had given, which I didn't observe. And this is the actual warranty card. So here they would have given your material code, batch number, and when it was manufactured, and everything, all the other information you would want. And as I told, it is 10-year warranty and everything, so that is also written here. So this is the one I was telling, that you will get everything. And this is the warranty card that you need to have. At last, you also have a support or contact email ID, so you can contact that also. We will put that in the description also, so here you can see it. And there is a phone number and the website also here. And beside they've given a few other information you need to know about the warranty and how you will avail the warranty and everything. So you can actually go through all of these are really important that you need to know before you buy the product or anything. And if you're wondering what's the final outlook, this is it. So I actually arranged the bedspread, pillows and everything, and this is how it is. So it was really soft, really nice. Okay guys, the bed was so cozy, so nice. I wish I could just sleep off here. But obviously I had to do the outro, so here I am. So if you guys like the bed, or you want to buy the same bed, or you're looking for a bed, this is the perfect one you would want. It is memory foam and everything, I've already told it. So it's amazing, you can aram se buy it. And it's also customizable, I told that also. There's just nothing to say, so I'm really happy. And if you guys like this video, well, I love this video, it's gonna be one of my favorites. And if you did, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and family. And see you guys later, bye. And if you also want, disclaimer, well, if you also want to communicate with us, you have a Roposo account, you can go to our latest Roposo post and comment down below. Or you have a discussion tab in our YouTube channel, so you can go there also and put up your request or whatever you want to chat with us. So let's go and bye.